Today, I didn't eat breakfast, and it's 1 p.m. now, so I'm going to make me some lunch. But for lunch, I'm going to have breakfast. Got me some shredded hash browns, shredded cheese, eggs, and some ham. I'll have maybe half of this ham at the most. Then the shredded cheese I'll mix in with hash browns and with the eggs. Oh, I can't forget my jalapeno. I'll cut that jalapeno up and put it in the hash browns too. What else do I got? You can see, got a lot of water in here. Oh, got some steak. Oh yes, my hot sauce. Can't forget that. What else? Oh, I'll have this coconut water. I get this from Walmart. It says organic coconut water, but isn't all coconut water organic? And it's just coconut water. There's nothing no preservatives. So I'll have that as my drink. And then one last thing. This white Greek pita bread. This stuff is pretty good. I got 1.5 pieces left. And then I'll toast this in the pan. So what I'll do first is I'll cook the hash browns, cook the eggs, and then the ham, and then heat this up. Alright, got that going. Warm up the pan. And this is just Crisco. I like using normally olive oil or coconut oil, but I also use Crisco. This is probably a little too much hash browns, but it's too late. They're in here. See this, what do you call this? Normally this would be a pot holder, right? Different type of wood. It's pretty nice. I actually got that from Costa Rica. I used to go down there 10-15 years ago. Yeah, probably about more than 10 years ago. Really liked it down there. It's time to flip the hash browns. You think I can do it? Let's see. Voila. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. And they cooked for like 7-8 minutes. Alright. Those hash browns should be about done. So now, just going to put some cheese on it. That's good. Then just let that melt down. Just going to make some scrambled eggs. Nothing special. went ahead and put some jalapenos with the eggs. I don't know if I dare to try to flip the eggs. Think I can do this? I don't know. I'll be as lucky. Okay, here we go. Can I do it? Ah, I did it. Oh, yeah, small things amuse me. And I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on the egg. And then I'm just going to let that cheese melt now. And then the last thing to cook is the ham. Okay, let me show you the finished product. Hash browns with cheese, eggs with cheese and jalapenos. And I decided to go with a small piece of ham, because this is a lot of food. And then the pita bread. Nice and warm, it's nice and hot. And now I'll just relax, have lunch, and check out the views from my door, that window, and my back window. Alright, I won't bore you with me eating my food.